So during budget hearings, we heard from Secretary Arkoosh about the governor's proposal for $55 million that would fund these one-time grants to employees in the child care industry. Can you answer this yes or no? Are those payments intended to be one-time payments only?
That is my understanding.
We didn't receive a lot of information. There was a lot of questions that I left with.
I don't know that it's been decided at that level of detail. I think the intent of these dollars is to kind of do both. Yeah, I don't think we just haven't gotten into that level of detail either. And again, that is something that we can absolutely discuss with you if you go ahead and approve these dollars.
So in looking at it, there's a lot of questions that we still have, and going out and listening to my child care providers, what I've been hearing is that there's a lot of regulations that really stand in the way of them hiring great people who want to serve our children. Of course, we would love to pay our child care workers more, but when you have regulations that cost money, that ultimately drives the cost up. So what Secretary Arkoosh said was that this $55 million, this $1,000 per worker, would show appreciation.
To help people feel appreciated, even if it is a one-time payment, it's an acknowledgement of how hard these individuals are working. These recruitment and retention bonuses would go a long way to helping these child care providers.
But the thing is, we know that it doesn't work. We saw during COVID where a lot of these industries received those extra stipends and one-time payments to try and retain staff, and it didn't work. So we have to go back to the drawing board and figure out what's going to work. We want to make sure that we are growing this industry. We know that we need to grow our childcare industry. We need to create pipelines for young people to enter this career path who maybe don't necessarily need a college degree. There may be moms out there, stay-at-home moms, who want to get back into the workforce. And we need to be removing those barriers for those individuals who have a passion for serving our young people and taking care of them, because it is such a noble profession. But at the same time, we need to be smart about how we're investing those dollars. We need to look at the regulations that are standing in the way of these people serving our children, and really talking to those who are providing that service and having an honest conversation about how we can move child care forward in Pennsylvania so that we're serving the families who need it, that we are empowering the workers who provide that service, and ultimately our community will benefit. But we have to have those hard conversations.